Oi, tudo bem? I don't really speak Portuguese, but we're celebrating 166 subscribers, and the person that we are celebrating, their channel is called Your Brazilian Spot. It's all about Brazilian culture, and we, Caitlin and I, love Brazil. Caitlin served a mission for our church in Brazil for a year and a half. She served in Recife, and we actually got to travel there, how long ago was it? It was, I guess, a little over a year ago. It was so amazing. I want to go back really bad. I told Caitlin I would try to learn Portuguese as like an excuse to go back, that if I can learn it, if she could teach me Portuguese, because she knows Portuguese, then we have to go back. But anyway, without further ado, we're going to celebrate by making Brazilian cheese bread, or pão de queijo. I probably didn't say that well at all, but here it is.